How does it feel pulling up, babe?
Feel nice, like I'm home already.
What? You and me will always be tight. Family every single day and night.
Morning, humble gang. How y'all doing today? So today is today is July 10th, and we're going to do our final walkthrough. So I'm not gonna vlog during the walkthrough, but I'm going to show you guys a little glimpse, maybe a little sneak peek of our empty house tour of how the house turned out. I just want to make sure things are what they is, and all the stuff that we agreed for them to fix is perfect, because we close on Friday. We just got all our clear to close and all our documentation and all the stuff that we have to do in order to get this house yesterday. So I have a lot of errands to run. I got my little notepad here of all the things that we wrote down, all the things we're gonna look at, and I'll give you guys more details. So I'll see you guys at the house. Oh, no carpet. All right, you guys, so during our final walkthrough, we already had our checklist. So I was checking all plumbing, all faucets, underneath the sinks, cracks in the walls, checking all outlets, making sure everything was perfect.
Wrap it up, do my thing. Shabby put me on the gram and remix thing. Boy, try Wiley with the Pacino flow, Godfather.
All right, you guys, so I just left the gym. I don't know why I didn't take y'all with me. If you guys want to see my like workout routine, you know, for keto and stuff like that, and what I've been doing, you know, comment down below and let me know. Cause if that's something y'all interested in, I will deliver it. You feel me? So I ran a few errands this morning. As you guys know, me and Babe, we did our final walkthrough. And right after that, I did the wire transfer to the title agency. You know, you got to give them the money that they tell you got to pay. And I wired that. So that is done. They verified they got it and everything. So we are 100% ready to close. You guys, it is happening. So I have a few more errands to run, and I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. So this is basically gonna be our like closing process vlog. So exciting, right? So one of my keto meals in this video that you guys are seeing right now is me eating a Jimmy John's meal. I love it so much because they have lettuce wraps, and I always pack it with nothing but meat, cheese, light mayo, and I think on this day I add a slight bit of tuna. I know it's weird, but it is so delicious, you guys. You guys, okay, so I just finished inspecting the house, and it is perfect. Like, I had a whole list on my notebook. I had a list on my phone. I double checked everything. This house is perfect. Like, I know perfect is like not real, but it's perfect for us. It's our perfection. I love it. It's just not too big, not too little. It's just perfect for me and Bae. Like, you guys, I can't believe after all these months of stalking this lot and chasing it and, you know, bugging my contractor, because that was very aggravating. I'm not even gonna lie. If it's mine and I'm paying for it, I'm very aggravating. So I was so aggravating when it came to this house. But it came together and it's so perfect. And they made a few mistakes, but it got fixed at the end, and that's all that matters. You feel me? Me and Bae closed in 2 days, and I can't wait. I really cannot wait. This is, wow, this is that experience that your parents talked about, but you don't believe what actually happened to you. And it's like, wow, this is real life adulting, you know? I got the guys outside doing my yard. Never been so excited about like grass and stuff. It's weird, right? It's how you know you're getting old. Like, somebody asks, hey, what can I get you? It's money or some shit for my house, period. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog for today. We're gonna continue tomorrow. We're winding down, and then we're gonna take it back to the actual closing date, which is on Friday, July 12th. Like, it don't seem real yet. Maybe it seems real when I get the keys. That's what I'm thinking. When I get the keys, it's gonna be like I'm really responsible. Like, I'm really adulting. Like, this is really mine. I own some property. I got a mortgage, you know? Like, I gotta be careful not to like fight a bitch near my property because a bitch can sue me type of running, you feel me? So, it's breathtaking. So you guys, stay tuned. Tell me again what you enjoy about this vlog. If you want me to vlog or record my workouts, comment down below. Let me know what's up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to your girl channel. I got so much videos coming on. I got the brand new camera, okay? Just to show y'all how serious I am when it comes down to this. Like, this house is my motivation. I manifest it into real life. Matter of fact, I got a video coming up about that. Because if I really tell you how this house idea started within a year ago, you'll be like, Star, you tripping. No, a year. Like, you can legit manifest your dreams into real life, and I am a perfect example of that. Like, I love hearing my friends tell me, oh my God, like, it's different when you see somebody on social media do it, but when it's somebody you know is building, you know, a house, like, it's not unheard of like that from down south. Like, people buy houses, but not like really legit build a brand new house. And we build a brand new house, and I'm humbled, I'm grateful, and I'm blessed. Again, subscribe to your girl. I'll see you guys on Friday. More vlogs coming, more shopping me coming, more keto videos coming, workout with me videos, all of that. Let me know your favorite part of this vlog. Stay tuned with your girl, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
What? You and me will always be tied. Memories every single day and night.